Today I'm gonna show you how you can make the back area of your Jeep Renegade a little bit more flatter to make it more even surface for you to sleep on when car camping. So if you can see there, I left one of the seats up to show you that is important to keep. This and this one had to stay in the setup in order for you to attain the even surface in your Jeep Renegade. So what's missing here is the actual seats. Okay, so you have to remove the actual seats and just retain the backrest for both sides in order for you to attain a flat surface on the back of your Jeep Renegade. So here's another angle which you can see that everything in the back is flat now. So if you see here, if you put this down, you can see there, now it's flat. If you put a good thickness mattress over this one, this is going to be very minimal and it's not substantial at all. It's not even half an inch difference. So that's how you get your back seats flat for Jeep Renegade car camping. So one of the tools that I find useful for my Jeep Renegade is this step tool. You just like hook it up like that, and then it's an extra step up like a ladder, portable ladder, to go access my rooftop box.